In this video, we are taking a raw, unfiltered look at my completely roached $650 EK Coupe. My Honda Civic with VTEC 5-speed manual that I got for only $650. So here is my friend with his first look at this car, first little drive as well, and you can see just how class this thing is, but it's awesome. All right, so we have the Civ here in the garage, made it home. A-okay. You smell that?
Smells good.
So when Mikey was getting in the auto game, he was just a little fetus. Now he has an idea of what he's talking about. Anyway, it looks okay on the inside. This is a typical Honda thing. The hood pop doesn't work, so you just have to do pliers. It happens to all of them. Anyway, I just need you to pop that engine.
Pop the engine?
Pop the engine out. B16, K20 soffit. No, just pop that hood. I want to see a reaction.
Holy mac.
You can let her down a little.
What? What in the monster? What is that?
So she's kind of a squirter. I think it's coolant from the overflow. There's your overflow. Zip tied on with that. Do you like the oil?
You even check the oil?
And I was ripping her.
Holy. I mean, it's clear up here. You got, look at this. You got a leak all over your, like, valve cover,
well,
maybe?
I think it's just the valve cover. Well, I think it drips down. We'll see. And you know it's mixing in with the coolant.
Uh-huh.
But anyway, hop on in. Well, actually, before we do that, you want to shut that door. Now, try to open that door. So we have a little handle latch situation. That's broken. Let me hop in on the passenger. Here's the window holder. But yeah, I guess we'll just
241.
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh. Bye-bye.
We'll just feel the gears out.
What is this?
We have a small pool.
What is wrong with her?
She's loose. There's second. You'll have to flip on those headlights. Try to...
Are we even in?
I don't know. I drove her home. She does fine. Throw on those lights though. It's right here. Right on that stalk. Yep. Got her.
You going for her?
Uh-huh. That must be third.
What?
Or no, fourth.
What is that?
It's the engine being funny. There you are.
What is wrong with her?
It's a $650 EK Coupe.
Her steering's a little tight too.
Well, there's no power steering.
What?
She doesn't need
What is that horrible noise? You don't need power steering though, do you?
Mm-mm, not in a light car like this.
Go, baby, go.
Just watch your steering.
Holy Hannah.
Because this is bad.
Wow, look at that. It's not even doing that.
I know. When you hit a bump, she pulls you to the side.
Wow.
I think it's just missing. Like one of the cylinders is dead or something, and that's why it's like...
Can I rip her a little?
Yeah, if you want to.
Right.
If you don't think the 5.0 is going to capture us.
I think the steering's gonna get us before
Killed,
anything.
I know.
Yeah. So it ain't gonna blow up or nothing here?
I don't think she'll blow, and if she does, she's 650. Oh, no, 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 it's front wheel drive. Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought we were ditching it.
What do you mean?
I thought we were going in the ditch.
Oh, ditching her. No, Mikey's better than that. She's so good.
Oh, turn on the heater if you could. Is that just all the way up?
Oh, baby. We're gonna die.
I know. You saw me going all over the road, and that's why.
I'm legit, like, any bump and I'm gonna...
Over.
Wow. How are the brakes, though?
They're fine.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you got all the gears, no problem.
Oh, yeah.
Because she's loosey-goosey. Like...
What is that? That's so bad. Where's your...
Well, put it in gear.
What gear?
Just first.
Hold on.
If you can. Is it?
Yeah.
Go forward to prove to the people that it's in. Alright, now keep it in gear, but push it to the right as far as the stick will go.
Like here? What? And we're still in gear?
Yeah,
here?
we're still in first.
Let me see that. What is
Junky
this?
old Hondas. Don't you love them?
Yeah. Can you do it down here?
I'm sure.
How are you? You can't tell me you're in gear over here.
You got all the gears somehow.
Mm-hmm.
You shifted perfectly. I don't understand.
Mikey's the best.
Beautiful. So that's it for this video. I'm really curious to hear though, did you like this style? Did you like this format? Do you like me talking to the camera more, or me doing more B-roll or stuff like this where it's literally just raw GoPro footage of a first take, first reaction, nothing plotted, planned, no skits, just a true earnest one take review from someone who's never seen a pretty clapped out vehicle. If you like this style, definitely like the video, drop a comment down below telling me you thought so, or if I shouldn't include these on the channel, and be sure to subscribe to see how we can transform this Roacher into something a little bit better, hopefully resolve quite a few of the issues and the quirks. With that in mind, I will see you on the next one. Peace.